Hey guys, welcome back to the Yaqoob Technical Tricks. Today, I've got something really special for you. We're diving into the world of analog photography with this beautiful analog camera. In a world dominated by digital, there's something magical about going back to the roots, and this camera takes us right there. Now, first off, let's talk about the design. The analog camera looks and feels premium. It's got a classic metal body, a retro vibe that just screams vintage, and yet, it's simple enough for beginners. You hold it and immediately feel like you are holding a piece of history. This camera uses 35mm film, yes, actual film. That means every shot counts. No deleting, no reshoots. It forces you to slow down, think about composition, lighting, and timing. And honestly, that's what makes analog photography so rewarding. Loading the film is straightforward. Just pop open the back, insert the roll, pull the film leader across to the take-up spool, and wind it a couple of times. Once it's in, close the back, and you're ready to go. It might sound tricky at first, but after doing it once, you'll get the hang of it quickly. One of the coolest things about the analog camera is the manual control. You get to adjust focus, exposure, and shutter speed all by yourself. It gives you full creative control. Unlike smartphones or auto mode on digital cameras, want a soft background blur or a dramatic low light shot? It's all in your hands. The lens quality is solid too, sharp, with a slightly vintage softness that makes the images feel alive. The color rendering is rich and warm, something you just don't get with filters or editing apps. There's something special about the way film captures skin tones and light leaks. Every photo has its own soul. Now, let's be honest, film photography isn't cheap. You'll need to buy rolls of film, get them developed, and maybe scanned if you want them on your computer. But that's part of the charm. It makes you value every photo. You're not just clicking endlessly, you're making memories, carefully and intentionally. Also, using a camera like this can be a conversation starter. People are curious when they see someone using an old-school film camera. It connects generations and reminds us of where photography began. For those of you who are into street photography, portraits, or even experimental light work, the analog camera is a great tool. It's not about megapixels, it's about moments, emotions, and storytelling. If you're new to analog photography, don't worry, start simple. Take your time, learn the basics of exposure, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Even though ISO is fixed based on the film you use. With a little practice, you'll start creating some truly stunning images. And remember, mistakes are part of the process. You might mess up a roll or two, forget to wind properly, or shoot with the wrong settings. But that's okay, that's how you learn, and honestly, that's part of the fun. So is the analog camera worth it? Absolutely. If you want to slow down, appreciate photography more, and create art that feels real and raw, then yes, this camera is a solid choice. Before I wrap up, here's a quick tip. Store your film in a cool place, and always wind your roll gently. Treat it with care, and it'll treat your memories with the same respect. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and if you're into cool tech and photography like this, make sure to subscribe to the Yaqoob Technical Tricks. I've got more awesome content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.